There were some people that obviously were upset about some of the remarks made not long ago. Well, if you have a party, you don't ask your guests to bring food. If you can't afford the food, don't have the party. Simple. The problem is that these people in San Clemente are so attuned to having nothing to do. The minute a party comes along, they'll do anything they can to get to the party, and that includes bring a dish to feed the crowd. And you know what? They'll do it. No questions asked. They say bring a dish, preferably a covered dish, which would be a casserole of some sort. We'll bring it. We want to be part of the mob.